I want to do a little product review on this on these clamps I got for hanging up hydraulics and such, even other things on my machine. So this is, I got this from Amazon, and yeah, they're really good clamps. They're made out of metal, and they're sturdy and they're flexible, and they're holding up quite well. So I would think this is a good investment to get if you're hanging up hydraulic lines or hanging up brake lines in your vehicles or your machines, for that matter, like I did. And you know, that's a good rubber around it. That's nice. So I mean, if you don't have access to you know, proper hydraulic hose hangers like this, put it on your machine, like excavator, backhoe, whatever. If you don't have these available to you, you could buy this kind of thing. You buy them in bigger sizes too, and you just kind of bolt them to your boom or whatever, to your side of your tractor or whatever, and that's a good value. And this is something that I found that's a really good buy for what you need, and it tells you on the box exactly what the clamps are for. So this is a good product. So I mean, it cost me $25 for this, and it's better than paying $34 for this. It does the exact same thing. It holds the hose in place on the whatever you're mounting it to. This is $35. This is $25, and you get more clamps for clamping whatever you want. So great product. All right, you find this on Amazon. I'll post a link to this if you're interested, and you can. I'm not making anything on it, just helping you guys out. All right, another good product for car guys, for people who have machinery, like excavators, backhoes, farm equipment, vineyard equipment, that kind of stuff. If you're hanging hoses electrical lines, like electrical wiring for your whatever you're doing, this is a very good option. So I recommend it. All right, thanks for watching. Bye for now.